What's up, ladies and gents, and welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bridgett, where I'm bringing you all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. In today's video, it saddens me to say that I have to say goodbye to a very special old friend. My phone. I got a new phone. So today is an unboxing with lifestyle. We're going to fall in the lifestyle category and unbox my new phone. Okay, I have had the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for a little over 2 years now, and I think it will still be great. It is a great phone and it will still be great. However, your girl dropped it. Yeah, and I didn't think anything of it, but there's this little black section, and I'll show you because I'm going to do a part 2 to this, and so you'll see on the new phone. And yeah, I dropped it, and so there's a little black just creeping across the screen, and then at the very top of the screen it's rainbow colors. And yeah, so I had to get a new phone. So with that being said, I am very excited that I do have the new phone, so I wanted to do the unboxing. Now, a little truth here, I've had this phone for about a week now because I have so much content on this phone, and I didn't want to switch it over yet because, well, let me show you the phone first. Okay, here it is, the brand new Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. That is a mouthful. It's just like this one was the Galaxy S10 Plus, but this is a little bit more words than the other one is. But anyway, I pointed to the phone like you can see it. Anyway, so yeah, good thing about this phone. Let me unbox it real quick. Let's see. Okay, trying to get that off was crazy. Okay, so here this little part came in the front. This is removable, this part. And then here's the phone. They only had black, which I'm cool with. But what I was talking about, look at this. The camera and the video, they put like 3 lenses back here and then the 2 small ones for the video. So I don't know. I still haven't read up on everything on the phone, but that was the thing that sold me because I saw someone with this phone actually in the T-Mobile store, and he showed me his video and his pictures. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So hopefully you will see a difference from when I record part 2 on this phone. But again, the reason why it took me a minute to to get the new phone set up was because this is 128 gigs only. And for what I do, which is recording and videos for YouTube and take pictures and everything, you know, like this one. Yeah, I just wanted to show you a little picture of me showing off. Anyway, I need more gigs. And so on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you could put in an SD card. Well, on these babies, no SD card, nowhere, anywhere to put an SD card. So I did find out, however, that I can either go to a T-Mobile store, which we have one here where I live, or I can go online and get more gigs added to my phone. So I will inquire about that when I go to T-Mobile, which will be today. So I'm gonna go in there and get all of that set up, and then I will do part 2 and let you guys know how all of that was as well. Have an amazing day. Hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, please. Share the video if you want more knowledge on the phone, and share. All right, I think I said it. Let's see. Like, subscribe, share. Oh, leave a comment. That's what I wanted to say. Leave a comment on the video. Anyway, guys, until next time, sending you love and light. Mwah. Peace.
Every single day